Hey, Devin. You said you needed help with a list of foods?
Yeah, so I'm actually trying to think of foods that can fit in this extra large air fryer right here, but it's been a while since I've eaten anything other than vegan food, and I was hoping you could help me out. What do carnivores like to eat?
Ice cream.
Okay, yeah, but I actually meant food for the air fryer.
Ice cream.
Are you really suggesting we put ice cream in an air fryer, or are you just fantasizing about ice cream right now?
Ice cream.
All right, can somebody get this man some ice cream so we can get to the unboxing? You are not helpful, Nico.
Ice cream.
Not.
Ice cream.
Title card, please.
Ice cream.
How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Sorry, I'm already thinking about food. Because today we're unboxing the Rosewill Extra Large Air Fryer. This air fryer can hold up to 5.8 quarts of food, meaning that you can cook a variety of meals from tofu to broccoli. Oh wait, sorry, I forgot. Nico actually helped me come up with a list for non-vegans. Let's take a look at it here. We've got chicken wings, we've got pork chops, we've got ribs, and even a whole chicken. Wait, I feel like Nico's messing with me. That's a real thing? You eat the bones and all? Ugh. It's also easy to clean, has a high temperature range, built-in safety features for easy use, and tons of other cool aspects that we'll get into, but our crew is starting to look hungrier and hungrier, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Guys, I am starving, so let's break this out of the box. Wow, this box is a little rough looking. Went through the ringer on its way over here. That's okay, as long as the air fryer is looking pristine on the inside, and we're good to go. Wow, this is a big boy. I can already tell. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is like 3 times the size of my little air fryer at home. I can cook like 10 French fries in my air fryer. And I do that often. Here's the air fryer. Out of the box, it looks great. We've got a peel moment. Now here we have your user guide, and this is the air fryer. Oops, little screw that fell out, so I'll figure out what that's for. Here's the basket, it just hooks right in. You fill it with stuff, slide it in, and it looks great. Yum, you guys. Okay, I can't wait to use this. Let me tell you guys all about the air fryer and then we'll get to some cooking. This air fryer comes with a 5.8 quart or 5.5 liter capacity that can make a whole variety of foods. It really is big enough to make an entire meal for the family, as it totally can fit an entire chicken in its basket. It can achieve temperatures from 180 degrees to up to 400 degrees, and the timer can go from 1 to 30 minutes depending on cooking times or whatever recipe you're using.
Ooh. Can we do my recipe?
Is it ice cream?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. The Rosewill Extra Large Air Fryer is also super user-friendly. Starting to cook your food is as easy as plugging it in and adjusting the temperature and timer. It's easy to clean and is made from non-stick, FDA-approved, PFOA-free material, which also means that the basket and the frying pot are both dishwasher safe. It also comes with this protective cover just above the release fryer button. This will ensure that the frying basket can be safely removed while still attached to the handle. You can avoid any accidental spills, drops, slips, slops, and any other whoopsie daisies you experience when cooking. Which is great for me because I'm known to be a bit of a klutz. That's why on this show, I'm basically just standing still the entire time. It also uses... It also uses very little oil and can deliver foods with basically the same flavors as a traditional deep fryer. So enough talking about it, let's try it out. It's time we put this air fryer to the test. And I've got a bunch of delicious treats that I'm gonna be cooking up for the office. We've got some sweet potato fries, waffle fries. Those are my fave. Look at how many fries can fit in there. And then I've got some vegan chicken nuggets. Don't knock it till you try it, you guys. And pour those in. We are going to put this back in. I'm gonna set the temperature and the time. We'll give it about 20 minutes. And then we'll see how they turn out. Okay, so we've fried up some delicious treats. Let's try it out.
Is that a...
No, Nico, it's not ice cream. But you can try these with me.
Yes.
Okay, so let's pull it out. Oh my
Ooh.
goodness.
Looks good.
Look at that. Santa, hi. All right, so I'm gonna pour some of these treats onto a plate for us.
Wow, that was so easy.
So easy, I know. Everything looks so crispy and yummy. Do you need some ketchup?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll put it right. Oops, I guess we're putting it right there. Spilled
That's
everywhere.
exactly where I wanted the ketchup.
Okay, Nico, time for the taste test.
Ooh.
I'm going for a waffle fry.
I'm gonna go with this vegan nugget.
Ooh, I can't wait for you to try it.
Oh.
Those
Are
so
you sure
good.
that's vegan?
It's 1000% vegan and it's
That tastes
so
like
good.
regular chicken.
I know, it tastes like McDonald's. Try a waffle fry. I don't think I gave you enough. Mmm.
Mmm. You can taste that crunch. It's
Yep.
like not even destroying the top of my mouth. It's like a good crunch.
Uh-huh. I
We should
love
just have
it.
a dance party now.
If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. I'm Devin Howard.
And I'm Nico.
Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys!